Today I'm getting ready to paint the trim on the outside of this house, but first I want to prime the metal trim here. I'm sanding away the rust, I want to prime it. And I prefer to spray on the primer because you just get a nice better finish, and then once it dries I'm going to come back and brush on the top coat of paint. But I don't want to spray paint all over the roof shingles. So I took an old cardboard shipping carton and I cut it into strips, which I can slip right under the shingle. See, just like that, and let it stick out. And what that does, it provides a nice shield. It allows me to spray on the primer right onto the metal flashing. I'm not going to get it all over the roof shingles. There you go, look at that, perfect. Now, you can buy metal painting shields that you can slip underneath there. The problem is, first, they're too short and they're not wide enough, so it's very easy to spray beyond them. Plus, you have to keep moving it. In this case, you can just cut cardboard as long as you want and as many as you want, and just slip them all along the roof and just spray it all. In fact, you can even leave them in place when you come back to brush on the top coat. The other reason I like cardboard is a painting shield you have to buy, and they're $8 or $10, and this tip is absolutely free.